Hello friends, today we will see how to install WordPress. So let's start this video. At first, log into your control panel, then search WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now, click on Install. Then, choose the domain where you want to install WordPress. Then type your directory here. I want to install in domain's root directory, so I keep it blank. If you want to install WordPress to your main domain, then you can keep it blank. Now scroll down and type your site name. Here I keep it same. Now type here admin username, admin password and also type admin email. Here I keep it the same, but you must change your email and password. You can select themes for your site from here. I'm selecting this one. Now, click on Select Theme. Then, click on Yes. Now, click the Install button. It will take a while to be installed. Now, your WordPress is successfully installed. If you have enjoyed this video, then like it and subscribe to our channel. If you want a fast and reliable hosting for your business and blog, then Hostiera.com is the best option for you.